has come to perform the ancient ritual of immortality.
Who are you?
My name is Aguiyi Uriobala, the man who will live forever.
You think so you white at me? I'm not well, Lord! What? I'm not well!
You were born to die for my destiny to come to pass.
I need to follow you go anywhere. No think am. No try and be the wine. But yeah.
Die! I am your God. Worship me!
I will never worship you. You are not my God. You can never be my God.
Aguiyi Uriobala will live forever.
Your blood must be mine today.
Power will echo, glow. My dream to live forever must be fulfilled. Tell me what it will take.
The blood of a pregnant woman.
You see my blood? It's very bitter. If you swallow it, it could choke you. Nothing come. I'm not well. What did they stop now? I want to know why I was born with this stone.
A certain man who wants to live forever will come for your head.
I awaken your spirits, ancient spirit of Odudun Kilisi.
You killed me and our unborn child. You're very full of pain.
I was not born to die for you to live forever. I was born to end you. I will fight Aguiyi Uriobala with the last drop of my blood. If you not die, you deserve to die. Be buried in eternity.
My name is Aguiyi Uriobala.